Hello kids, welcome to online nature study class. Children, do you remember what did we do in our previous class? Yes, we got to know about the place where our planet Earth lives, right? Do you know the name of the place? What is the name? It is called the solar system. The solar system. See children, this is how a solar system looks like. What can we see here? The sun is at the center and the other planets are revolving around the sun. Who is at the center? The sun is at the center and the other planets are moving around the sun in a circle. See, like this. Do you want to know the name of the other planets? Yes? You want to know? Okay, so children, how about we sing a song and get to know about the names of the planets through the song? Yes, it's a nice idea, right? Are you all excited? Okay then, come on, let's begin.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us and learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Mercury. I'm the second hardest planet and the closest one to the sun.
My name is Venus. I'm the hottest planet but the second planet from the sun. I'm the brightest planet in the solar system and I'm too hot for anyone.
My name is Earth. I'm the planet you live on and the third planet from the sun. I'm the only planet with precious life, so take care of me, my friends. My name is Mars. I'm red in color. I'm the fourth planet from the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us and learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Jupiter. I am covered in clouds. I'm the 5th planet from the sun. And as for size, I'm the biggest planet, but you cannot see me from your house.
My name is Saturn. I am brown in color. I'm the 6th planet from the sun. My outer rings are extremely thin. They are made of dust and icy chunks.
My name is Uranus. I'm blue in color. I'm the 7th planet from the sun. You can call me as an icy planet because I am the coldest one. My name is Neptune. I'm also blue in color. I'm the 8th planet from the sun. I'm the farthest planet from the sun. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us and learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have